guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a small eyeshadow tutorial on this green look. Also, a little mini review on the new ABH Norvina mini palette volume 2. Picked it up in December at Sephora with a gift card and a coupon. Treated myself. You know, start off 2020, right? So if you are interested to see a little bit about this palette as well as how I got this eye look using it, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so it is January 2020. We're starting off the year right. Got my Sonic the Hedgehog blue starting off 2020 in the blue. So if my face or body appears blue in any way, that's because it is, because I rinse it off in the shower. I also changed my room up a little bit, so bear with me if the lighting and or recording situation is not like 100. So I thought, what better thing to do than an eyeshadow tutorial? We are going to be doing a look/review of the Norvina Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. I purchased this at Sephora because I had a gift card and a coupon in December. So, I wanted, to be honest, I wanted to spend the $60 on the big one, the Norvina Volume 1 or 2 or 3 palette, but $60 was a little out of my price range, even with a gift card, even with a coupon. So your girl went with one of the little minis. There are 2 mini palettes. I will pop up a picture of the other one. Here, that one's much more like berry pinky tones. This one is like green and orange tones. Loving it. This retailed for $29. You get 9 full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills full-size pans in here. So this is the box. This is the outer packaging. It matches the actual palette packaging. This is plastic. It does come with a mirror, which is really awesome. I did kind of think that looking at pictures online or Instagram that this was going to be like metal. It's plastic, which is okay. Totally okay. But if that influences your decision to pay $29 for a palette, just letting you know that. So here are the shadows up close and personal. Let me swatch-a-doodle-do these for you because I've heard some wonderful, wonderful things about the Norvina pigments, or the pigment in the Norvina palettes. So let's swatch these for you. So here are the swatches. They feel very buttery soft to the touch of my finger, like whenever I was rubbing my finger in the palette to make the swatch. Very, very soft. A little bit of breakup with the finger, so a little concerned about that they're going to be kind of dusty slash fallouty slash whatever you want to call it. However, the pigment on these mattes, not chalky. It is here to play, especially on these two, this yellow and this light orange. I was really nervous about these two colors. They are here to play. So very excited to create a look with this for you today. I don't know if I want to go orange or green, and I'm thinking I want to go green because why not? So I think we're gonna go green because I kind of want to do like a monochromatic look because I'm about that life recently. I'm going to prep my eyes with some concealer. Today I'm going to use the Boing Benefit Cakeless Concealer. I use shade 2. I have already done my foundation and my eyebrows because that's the order in which I do my makeup. I do foundation, eyebrows, then eyeshadow. There are some of you crazies out there who do eyeshadow first, and I just can't get behind that. I'm debating whether I want to go light to dark or dark to light. I think we're going to go light to dark because I've never used this palette before. So that's what my instincts are telling me to do, is go light to dark. I am going to use my Sedona EB13 and I'm going to take this yellow shade and I'm going to put this above my crease, high on my lid as the start of like the transition slash blending color. Also, the pigments pick up well on brushes. I'm saying pigments, but I mean eyeshadow. I also didn't set my eye before I started this look. I just went right in with the eyeshadow. So there's that as well. Alright, now I'm going to take this Alter Ego blending brush. I don't even know if they sell this on their site. I hope they start selling brushes because they're amazing. But we're going to take this blending brush from Alter Ego and I'm going to take this lime green shade and I'm actually going to kind of just put that right on top of the yellow. Maybe like slightly lower, but I'm going to essentially like blend these two. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put that a little more in my creasy crease area. Then I'm gonna take this itty bitty detail blending brush. It's a Morphe M562, and I'm taking this dark green shade and I'm going to kind of like outline my crease with this. I'm not trying to like go crazy with it though. Basically, I want enough that you'll be able to like see it, but not enough that it's going to like overtake the eye. I kind of want to bring that like dark green color down onto the outer V a little bit. So I'm just going to take that same like detail brush, the M562, and just gently kind of like bring it down into my outer V. We're going to take this green shimmery shade and I'm just going to put it on my crease, kind of like a cut crease, but not really, if that makes sense. And I'm going to use a Mikasa E230, which is like a flat shader brush. Just green shimmer though. Blend and touch up the look. Some real strong green vibes here, but I'm loving it. Alright, I'm going to go and finish the other eye and the face, and we'll be back to finish the lower lash line. Added liner, finished the face. We're going to move on to the lower lash line, which what I'm going to do is take this darker green color on, this is a Morphe M165. It's just a flat angled brush. And I'm going to press that along my lower lash line. Press and wiggle to create like a green liner effect. And then I'm going to take an indistinguished buffer brush. I don't know what this is, it does not have a name. And I'm going to take this lime green color and I'm just going to buff that out. And then I'm going to add a mascara and lashes. Okay, and here is the finished look. My liner and lashes are kind of giving me a little bit of trouble today, but that's okay because this green with my blue, yes, I love it. This Norvina mini palette is really awesome, $29. I got it at Sephora. I had a coupon and gift card. The pigments, the mattes, very pigmented, as well as like these pastels. Never have seen such pigmented pastels and or never owned such pigmented pastels. I should put that out there. The shimmers, I would probably pay $29 honestly just for like these two shimmer colors. I know I only use the green, but this like taupey brown one swatched beautifully. The whole palette, it is really wonderful because it can sustain a look on its own. You know, like I love little mini palettes that can sustain a look on its own versus like little mini palettes that you have to use supporting palettes with it. That's just kind of like a waste of my money, to be honest. Like this mini palette as well as the other mini palette, I know I popped up a picture before, I'll pop up another one right here. I think they both can sustain looks on their own. It's not a bad price for like a high-end product. I mean, in terms of eyeshadow, I think it's like a little expensive, but for a palette that you could be using regularly and it can hold multiple looks on its own, it's not bad. Also, I think 2020 needs to be the year of wearable, colorful looks. I'm tired of these people out here being like, well, I could never wear that on a regular basis. Why not? Green is a wearable look, blue is a wearable look, pink is a wearable look. There are other neutrals out there other than brown. Let's make it happen, people. 2020 is the year of color, colorful, wearable looks. Let's make it happen. Are you with me? Tell me in the comment section below. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. I will list all of the products that I used in the description box below so that you can check them out on your own time, especially this Norvina mini palette. Quite wonderful. If you enjoyed this video, give a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.